Forget the package.
It's never too late. Look at those old people.
Well, hey, if they survived with a mild heart attack, just think how we'll do. Hey, just think though, you're securely strapped in.
I'm not worried about safety.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
Guys, let the good times begin. Let it all flow over us like a magical, flowy thing.
Oh my gosh. What are we doing?
100 miles an hour in 3 seconds.
Oh gosh.
Why'd you talk me into this?
You?
Okay,
Oh my gosh.
guys, now, do you want a countdown or a big fat surprise?
Countdown!
You want a countdown or a surprise? Countdown!
Gosh, that was awesome!
I would totally go again with him.
Oh yeah! I hate that guy.
This is actually really nice.
It was worth the t-shirt and the USB.
Did you scream? I don't know if I heard you screaming over me screaming.
Yes, and I think I pissed my pants. Oh my gosh.
Totally cool. I'm gonna yell at him for lying to us.
Oh my gosh, this is nice. Well, I'm dry.
Welcome back, guys!
That was not a countdown!
I'm still practicing. I'm learning all the time. Did you like it, guys?
I loved
Oh,
it.
it was awesome.
Was it romantic?
Very. I saw my life flash before my
There you
eyes.
go. Now, guys, we do have a special offer. If you want to go again right now, it's only $10 each. Would you like to go again?
What if we came back in a little bit?
You can. That offer lasts all day.
Alright, we might come
Okay.
back in a little bit.
Yeah. If you do come back, I suggest you do one at night time. Different feel.
Oh, yeah.
Plus, you've already got the USB, so I could put more rods in the same USB as well.
Oh yeah.
For free. There's one more
This time I
around
won't
there.
scream like a girl.